Delhi Dispute Resolution Society, Department of Law, Justice and LA. Ground floor, B block, Vikas Bhavan 2, Civil Lines near Metcalfe House, Delhi 54. Was established in 2009. Our toll-free number is 1800 Website mediation.delhigovernment.nic.in. Email director.adr@gmail.com. What is the vision of DDRS? To empower public to resolve disputes amicably, to make people build relationships and make stronger and safer society, to reduce backlog of cases from courts, to save cost of litigation to parties and state, to promote greater public satisfaction in legal system and dispute resolution mechanism. What is the mission of DDRS? The objective of the society is to provide a forum to the parties to settle their disputes with the help of neutral mediators rather than to suffer silently or run to police, courts or any other forum. What is mediation? Mediation is a process in which an impartial third party, a mediator, facilitates the resolution of a dispute by promoting amicable agreement by the parties to the dispute. Who is mediator? A mediator facilitates communication, promotes understanding, assists parties to identify interests, uses creative problem solving techniques, enables parties to reach their own agreement. Why we need mediation? Because in day-to-day life, conflict is natural part of life. Conflict has its negative side. It may hurt feelings and fracture relationship. Conflict emerges when disagreements, differences, annoyances, competition or inequalities threaten something important. If conflict is dealt with in a healthy way, a solution that satisfies everyone can be generally found. The need of mediation is urgent and real. It is a mechanism to mediate the existing deficiency in the judicial system. It provides an opportunity to resolve the differences, conflicts or the dispute natively, effectively and amicably. In Supreme Court in Salem Advocate Bar Association, Tamil Nadu versus Union of India 2003, 1 SEC 499 has observed that in certain countries of the world, over 90% of the cases have been settled out of the court. Mediation is one of the accepted mode of alternative dispute resolution globally. It is a boom to the social framework leading to higher returns. In a language of laymen, mediation is a process of amicable, synergistic solution to the dispute conflict arrived by optimization leading to win-win situation. Benefit of mediation: private, prompt and affordable, provides an opportunity to the parties to talk about their case in their own words and to directly participate in negotiation of their claims. A forum for parties to develop creative, non-traditional remedies that promote their underlying business and personal interest. It is free, no cost or less expensive than litigation. It is fair and neutral. It also saves time and it is a confidential process. It avoids litigation. It improves communications. What is the benefit of mediation? Mediation creates win-win position. Here parties control outcome. It is a voluntary process. Any party may withdraw at any time. There is no appeal, revision, refund of court fees in case of post-litigation matters. It is very convenient, arranged at convenience of parties. It preserves relationships which may be destroyed by court litigation and police station. Now, what is the difference between mediation and litigation? Mediation is a voluntary process and litigation is involuntary. In mediation, the agreement is enforceable as contract and litigation is binding and subject to appeal. Here, in mediation, no third party is required. In litigation, it imposed facilitator. Mediation is an informal process. Litigation is formal and rigid rules. In mediation, unbounded presentation of evidence and interest focused on past, In litigation, opportunity for each party proves focused on past event. In mediation, outcome mutually acceptable agreement sought, and litigation outcome is imposed decision. Mediation is a private, and litigation it is a public. And what is the difference between mediation and arbitration? In mediation, there is an introduction, joint session, caucus and agreement. In arbitration, there is a claim, counterclaim, examination of witnesses and arguments. What is the nature of process? In mediation, negotiatory, collaborative. In arbitration, adjudicatory and directive. What is the procedure? Mediation, non-procedural. In arbitration, procedural rules and rules of evidence. Neutral third party. In mediation, facilitator. In arbitration, adjudicator. Role of parties, advocates. In mediation, it is active and direct. In arbitration, active only during evidence. Level of formality. In mediation, it is informal. In arbitration, it is formal. What is the difference between Lok Adalat and mediation? Forum. In mediation, private conference room. In Lok Adalat, court premises. Morphology. In mediation, structured process. In Lok Adalat, persuasion and discussion. Who controls? In mediation, mediator controls. In Lok Adalat, presiding officer. The process, structured process. In mediation, process is not structured. In Lok Adalat. Selection of neutral third party. In mediation, generally parties. In Lok Adalat, parties do not enjoy any say in selection. Time. In mediation, reasonable time. Lok Adalat, it is time constrained. Who controls the outcome? In mediation, parties. In Lok Adalat, presiding officer. Confidentiality. Yes, it is private in mediation, it is public in Lok Adalat. Depth of analysis, detailed analysis, discussion, all type of disputes. And Lok Adalat, casual on facts and laws, and disputes are recovery and claim disputes. The role of parties, it is active and direct. Lok Adalat, not active and direct. The role of neutral in mediation, work in partnership with parties, and Lok Adalat, persuasion. Now, let me know what type of dispute will come to mediation. Commercial dispute, community dispute, family disputes, educational institutional dispute, medical negligence disputes, MSCT disputes, property disputes, disputes against government, consumer disputes, labor management disputes, tort disputes, compoundable offences, that is all disputes which can go to the court except heinous offences, corruption, and which are not enforceable under court of law. Who can be mediator in DDRS? Lawyer who have undergone training as prescribed by Mediation and Conciliation Project Committee of Supreme Court of India and have got the certificate of a trained mediator or trained as mediator at DDRS. Duration of mediation process. Most cases are settled within 30 days to 60 days. However, if a dispute involves complex issues, it may require some more time. How to contact? A person can personally contact along with simple application and identification proof to the mediation center. Number 2, online website DDRS mediation Delhi government nic.in for physical and virtual, and Sehmati www.sehmati.org for virtual mediation. And they can also contact through email of head office / mediation centers. What is the fee structure? Fee structure: 200 rupees will be charged for filing of new case complaint having financial implication. Rupees 100 fees will be charged from BPL category. And settlement fees are as mentioned here. Where to contact for resolution? Delhi government mediation centers. There are 16 mediation centers, that is in Vikas Bhavan and in Patparganj, Rajpur Road, Parliament Street, Ambedkar Bhavan, and Udyog Sadan, Kutub Institutional Area, and DC Office Nandagiri, Samudaya Bhavan Jahangirpuri, Baprola, Kalkaji, Vivek Vihar, Sevda Bikevda, Old Seema Puri.